Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen crowns vision. Today's topic is writing helped me when our first participant is Miss Tanya Gopinath. Writing always helped me when I'm completely emotional. I write when I'm extremely happy or extremely sad. I always love to express my emotions in some way. My emotions give me a special tone to my poem, and I write very well during that time. There were days I came every day from school with a letter about how my day was and my feelings. Writing always helps me to let out my emotions. Beautiful, Tanya. You have expressed in a wonderful manner. Our next poet is Mrs. Sumati. Writing helped me when? Writing helped me when I was too vulnerable to hold on my emotional feelings. Writing helped me when I was totally drained to revitalize myself through my thoughts and verses. Writing helped me whenever I felt lonely in finding my ways to get back to normal. When I was in anger, when I was fully depressed, pen and paper became my companions to express my emotions. Superb, Sumati ma'am. You have expressed what and all normally people will do whenever we are in anger and depressions, and our sole companion is pen and paper. Our next poet is Mrs. P. R. Kalyani. Writing helped me when I was alone, thinking the bitter past, wasting my time in taking rest, simply pushing the time fast. An invitation sent by God from my dear friend helped me to take my pen and started writing to create my own trend. A page of writing daily hangs my life totally. A page of writing daily changes my life totally. In a whole day work, spending few hours to think critically, wasting time in unnecessary talks is better than creating stories on old folks. I wonder, I regenerate my thoughts, keep few hours myself apart from family knots, gives peace of mind to strengthen the brain, helps to filter the negativities and drain. Writing helped me to cross these lockdown situations, writing positively to cross the balancing and fluctuations. Super ma'am, your emotions are really thought provoking, and how you overcame all the depressions are brought out very clearly. Our next poet is Mrs. K. Gomati. Writing helped me when? Writing helped me when I am bored to keep myself engaged. Whenever I feel lonely, it accompanied me wholly. It helped me to express my pain at times of distress. Sometimes when I'm exhausted, through writing, my energy level gets boosted. When I feel agonized and dejected, I get rid of my sorrows at once. For writing makes me to relax and my thoughts get diverted. Writing helped me always to be positive and to think in different perspective. What a coherence and the flow. Amazing, ma'am. Our next poet is Mrs. Kalpana Selvam. Writing helped me win. It's an art, a platform to pour our imagination. Writing kindles our inner thoughts. It brings curiosity while writing novels. Our ideas flow as waterfalls. I believe writing helps me to analyze my efficiency afar. While writing poem, mind travels through nature's surrounding scene. Pride, as it makes me feel as my friend, to share my happiness. Depression, we may not live long. Our write-ups remain forever as evergreen thoughts. Rightly said, and this is the fact. Men may come, men may go, but our write-ups will be there. Our next poetess, Dr. Mary Suresh. Writing helped me when. Writing helped me when lost my voice. Celebrate my euphoric rejoice. I am not able to control my emotions. Need to reduce my commotions. Need to enhance my intelligence. Need to show my excellence. Need to fulfill the day faster. Need stress buster. Find my own happiness. Have to cultivate my self-awareness. Writing helped me when expectations destroyed, desires overflowed, tongue struck in words, eyes filled with tears, heart fulfilled to show feelings, soul wanders like wheelings, brain needs feel good gallery, my mind record its memory, my mental health needs relief with or without belief. So well depicted, and it tells how the writing helps us. When eyes filled with tears, heart failed to show the feelings. Superb. Our next poetess, Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan. Writing helped me when. Never can a day end up without writing. A place to seek solace at times of suffering. My best comrade is none but my diary, a true companion who answers all my query. Whenever I am soaked with worries, whenever I am filled with warm fuzzies, wherever I fail to overcome bitterness, I pour my thoughts fitting these pages. A patient listener, all through my journey, reflecting me and refreshing my memories. A good heart that cures all my grief and allows to share very little stuff. Nicely written with good rhyming words and rhyming scheme, pouring thoughts and feelings in the pages. Our next poetess, Mrs. R. Gayatri. Writing helped me when. When I was a student, my handwriting was not elegant. While the teacher encouraged my friend, that kindled me writing neatly penned. I am not a famous writer of worldwide vision, but I am an admirer by their version. I used to write positive quotes whenever I feel I cannot, as stagnant. Those positive vibes turn my mindset to float. I can also achieve everything in short. Writing is an expression of thoughts. It weighs more than spoken words. Writing reflects one's character. It's a wellness forever. Paper to pen is enough to change the world. All the pen is mightier than sword. So superb. So ending conclusion is marvelous. Pen is mightier than a sword. Our next poetess, Mrs. Lakshmi. Writing helped me when. Writing helped me to be a part of the story of the lives and to recover many everlasting memories. Writing make my regain active and also help me to think positive. Writing helped me to feel satisfying, though I haven't achieved anything. Day by day, writing helped me for developing. Cause lot of ideas and informations are benefiting. Writing helped me to draw my thoughts that was running in my mind. I needed me. It helped me whenever I want to go and whatever I want to be. Writing is a great mental exercise because physical exercise makes my body fit and active, but this writing makes my mind sharp and alive. My writing lacks accolades, but I will never quit writing. That's the spirit, Lakshmi ma'am. Fantastic. Appreciate you. Our next poet is Mrs. P. Alice. Writing helped me when speechless, expressing my thoughts in papers, uneasy to talk. Writing saves, unable to apologize. Penning speaks. Whenever I express my feel, records. Whatever I feel to talk, it pours. Whoever misunderstands, it writes. However I hide my feel, it elicits. Above all, an identity ever. No downfall, broken, problem never. Arouse, applause, essence good. Reviewed, applaud, any mood. So nicely written. So whenever we are unable to speak, our pen and the words speak a lot. Well done. Our next poet is Mrs. G. Sarala. Writing helped me when I'm red with depress. As my white paper turned black oppressed, felt shy, turning cool blue after reading it, marched with green, throwing it to the pit. Writing helped me when I'm idle, to fill my space, occupying doodle, but alarmed as wasting my time, realized time to be the prime. So we start to write and enjoy, read it to be employ, overcoming depressions, filling the space with idle expressions. Writing helped me when my oral concern is unreachable, exclusively in this pandemic intolerance. The condolences and greetings through WhatsApp. So you have used this pandemic in a very useful manner. Carry on, go ahead. Moving on to next poet, Sister Amalur Pavamiri. Writing helped me when I express my logical feelings to communicate people of cooling. Develop the habit of reading. My word resource is growing. I will write about my new virtues, sharing my smooth and clear thoughts, understand the meaning of life journey, track my mind's ups and downs of Winnie, asking questions arise within me, aware of these things that surrounded me. So we write about all the virtues, sharing the smooth and clear-cut thoughts. Superb, sister. Our next poet is Mrs. Uma Devi Arsakumar. Writing helped me when I feel to cry aloud, my pen pour words as rainy cloud. When joy burst out as spring, I blow out to write and ring. When loved one's departure makes my blood chill, I paint their memories with verses as hill. When failures block to move forward, I start scribbling few plans to succeed. In all my stress and mess, ups and downs, my travelers with pen and paper to rebound. Okay, let us overcome all the pains and everything. The line which touched When loved ones' departure make my blood chill, I paint their memories with verses as hill. Okay. Our next poet is Mrs. Sabina Salam from Dubai. Writing helped me when I was tongue tied, my feelings bottled up inside. With time grows grief, penning thoughts, it is a relief. Sorrows remain, leaving permanent scars. Do not chain, unleash, let it free through words. Yes, that's the only way. When we are in sorrow and problems, and now let us not bind it, let us unleash it, let it free through words. So, writing is the only way. Okay. Our next poet is Mrs. V.T. Kavita. Writing helped me when? Writing helped me when all I wish to become an alien to my problem. When my mind becomes numb, you will keep all in your status. You have kept me any day, Shiva. What sorts of recognition you have given me, Shiva? God also can't bear your activities. Shiva, whenever fate is overruled by mysterious surroundings, when my mouth failed to utter actual feelings, writing many a time boon to win over unsurpassable pain. It plays the role of energizer to relish my deed heart. It satisfies the inner me as it fulfills the Himalayan expectations through dictions. It balances my drawbacks. It remodels me as a dream me to be. It consoles, appreciates, encourages all my endeavors, where in reality I shrink myself by outward negative comments. All the impossible things become possible through my dictions. I can paint myself in the way I wish to appear. Through that, all my longingness and frustrations disappear. It satisfies my soul. It makes me to visualize all positive tomorrows. It makes me complete. I can get all which are not granted in reality, though it makes to live in dream world. I get courage to face the phases of life. Writing becomes the inseparable instinct to satisfy my thirst in life. It makes me accomplish what all I wish for by erasing the drawbacks completely. So nice. The lines which I loved, so many lines are there. You are playing with words. I get courage to face the phases of life. Lovely. All the lines are nice. Good. Okay. Our next poet is Miss Bhavishri Krishna. Writing helped me win. Writing is the best way to reduce stress and fight with loneliness. Writing is a gateway to our inner world and helps us get in touch with ourselves. Pen and papers are always ready to listen to our pleasures and sufferings. When there is no one to listen to your worries, I write on the note something I can't share with others. Before I started writing, I didn't know whether I was feeling sad or confused or dull. With this writing therapy, I could finally understand the emotions I put on paper. The pen have a power to transmit the voice of the soul. You can make anything by writing. We don't write for others. We write for ourselves. So fill your paper with breathings of heart. Wow. Fill your paper with the breathings of heart. So when we are unable to share anything, when nobody is there to share our sorrows, pen, paper, enough. Listen to your worries. Yes, good. So moving on to our next poet, Mrs. R. Elilarsi. Writing helped me when? Writing helped me when I have been under a lot of stress to write down my thoughts every day. I maintain a diary with great interest, an easy way to express my ideas. It helps me to control It helps to gain control of my emotions, a great channel to express my situations. Of course, an efficient way to resolve my problems. Writing creates an opportunity for positivity. Tracking the day to day important activity like medicine, it heals traumas and life threatening diseases. Also promotes all well being and healthy mental conditions. So, this is what we expected. It helps to gain the control of my emotions, which nothing can do. Only pen and paper can control the emotions. Very good. Moving on to next poet, Mrs. Anuradha. Writing helped me when my emotions outburst with endangered situations, make me to relieve myself with solutions. Writing helped me to decorate my views with the ornaments of letters and showcase it with flying feathers. Wonderful imagery. See, flying feathers, ornament of letters. All right, superb. Our next poet is Mrs. Y. Princeling John. Writing helped me how sweet the world that I enjoy, how delightful when my pen explores. My pen is stacked with the feathers of ecstasy. World of mine fills with the cutest melody. Clouds of thoughts spread their sheets. Paintings of feelings dance and greet. Whenever I spill my ink from the quill, fluttering emotions bloom to fulfill. I write every day to soothe my distress, to hail my joys and nail my sufferings. Weave my thoughts to weave like an attire. Breathe my passion to never be expired. I don't have words to describe all this. Simply awesome, powerful. Okay, weaving thoughts to weave like an attire. Breathe my passion to never be expired. What not? Our next poet is Mr. Arun Prasad. Writing helped me my first writing on walk with unknown patterns helped me to express my creativity. Then, in classrooms, to send code messages to my friends, which can't be encoded, helped me later in coding. When left in hostel alone, felt homesick, took papers, wrote letters after letters, self-checking, tore and crushed forgetting perfection, and later took inland letter to put words in right order and helped me write something sensible. When my English master, who never allowed master guide, but guided me to write on own, helped me to write paras and essays on own, which I even follow to my students. Companions commanded me more to write more, which helped me to in companion. Nothing to help. Letters to my lover helped me to mend and tend my lines coated with love, and even quotes of my fine, which made me writing beautiful and bore me benevolent wife who will stand beside me. Writing is an art. It gains heart. Even our thoughts depart. Once written, it remains as fine arts. We should give a cheer clap for this. Writing is an art. It gains hearts. Even our thoughts departs. Once written, it remains as fine arts. Okay, thank you, dear creative writers. Everything was simply awesome, powerful, fantastic. So, many claps for all of you. Thank you.